Good morning, everybody. Becki-licious here. I wanted to make a special omelet for you guys today because, it's breakfast time, so let's do an omelet. And for those of you that have watched my show, you remember we made chili not too long ago. And with that leftover chili, I threw it in the freezer like I always do. So that's what we're making today. We are making a chili omelet with my homemade chili, which is amazing. So let's get started. All right, we've got our pan all heated up. Let's get a little bit of our spray on it. And we are all ready to go to make this amazing, amazing chili omelet. Oh, this has always been one of my favorites. Always, always. Okay, so obviously we've got to start with our eggs. We're doing 2 eggs, just a 2-egg omelet. I don't want to go too crazy because, hello. It's going to already be full of yumminess. And like I said, when I made the chili, that's why I freeze it, because I can use it for so many other things. So it's never going to go to waste. That's the beauty, the absolute beauty of this. So, all right, that is looking good to me. So let's get some cheese going down on the bottom first. Now I like to use a mixture of cheese. I like to use American and pepper jack. So just kind of, it's pretty for starters. Plus it tastes amazing. So let's just go ahead and get all of these placed in here. Because once again, you can never have too much cheese, I believe. Yum, yum, yum. And it's a perfect day to stay in, have a little bit of a late brunch. It's a little rainy outside. So yeah, what better? Plus you're eating chili. I mean, it warms your soul, basically. That's how I've always felt. All right. I'm all about the cheese, can you tell? All right, so now we were going to put in this yummy homemade chili. And I've already heated this up just a little bit, so take the cold off, if you will. So here we go. We're just going to layer this in the center. Yes, this is my absolute favorite chili in the whole wide world. And I've had some good chili. I have, but this is an old family recipe, so it's a little partial. Okay, probably shouldn't go overboard. And then we're going to, a little bit of chopped onion with it. Not too much. I don't do too much chopped onion. Some people, but for me, not so much. So, all right. Now comes the fun part. Let's see if we're ready to do it. Oh, yeah. We're ready to do some flipping. Flipping. Here we go. And this one obviously is a little bit messier because you got all that yummy chili coming out. But like I've said numerous times, if it doesn't get all over the place, it doesn't belong in your face. So we're just going to go with it. There we go. Look at that. Yum, yum, yum. Ooh, yummy. This smells so good already. You can smell that chili. All right, this is going to be a little messy here. I just know it, but we're going to get this flipped to where it needs to be, okay? Whoa! All right. Oh, goodness, tell me that doesn't look amazing. All right, so we're going to get this covered up and let it do some cooking, and then I'll get it all cleaned up, okay? All right, well, we've got the omelet cooking. I'm going to throw a little bit of a couple of pieces of these purple onion because we're going to use this on the top just as a decoration to make it look a little pretty. So we might as well get these in here and get them all cooked up a little bit, and because we want all that to be pretty and everything. So, but hey, don't forget, like and subscribe, share with your friends, and definitely click on that link tree for some fun stuff, all right? All right, so here we go. These are looking perfect. All right, time to put some of the cheese toppings on the top because we want all of that to melt as well. So we've got us our fancy little pepper jack triangles. Those are going to go onto the sides, and then just a little strip of the American to where they almost look like little flags. There we go. All right. can let those melt. All right, now it's time to put our pretty pieces of onion that we had grilled up. We're gonna layer these in the middle. Oh, look at how good all this looks. That cheese has got nice and melty on the top. Like I said, I can smell all of that chili. All right, just gonna go check on my toast and we're gonna plate up here pretty quick. All right, I've got my yummy potatoes and my toast here, and this amazing omelet is getting ready to come off of this grill. Oh, yes. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Tell me that's not gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous yumminess. All right, we are all set and ready to go. All right, our chili omelet is done. We've got our potatoes all cooked up, a slice of toast. Yeah, tell me that doesn't look amazing. Not too shabby, huh? What can I say? So there you go. Another fun time in the kitchen with me. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I always do. And I look forward to seeing you next time, okay? Bye.